gonna go wrong. No, it's already recording. Oh, hey guys! Tell me about your date.
I didn't have a date.
Yes, you did! This nigger went to Chili's.
Oh. I thought that shirt wasn't gonna fit you.
I didn't know. But I'm gonna get right to you.
Why?
So you can go watch it.
So I can go wash it? It's brand new.
Look! Tell them about how you went to Chili's.
No, I'm talking about your shirt.
What about it?
Why am I gonna wash it if it's brand new?
I don't know, because I'm wearing it.
I ain't gonna dang walk.
What?
I'm fat.
What?
I'm fat. Look at that. You can see my fat everywhere.
Look at mine.
I love it. You're not even fat. Look at this right here. Look. Move! All you can see is...
Look at mine.
Move! I'm trying to show my fat! Look at this. This is a whole lot to love. This is why I don't have a boyfriend. It's sick. What do I do? Bobby, what do I do?
I don't know.
I'm depressed.
Exercise? Where are you at, bro? I can't find you. Right there.
Okay, that's enough about being fat. Let's go.